open for Bitcoin trading for today with a liquidity of $58 and a total capital of $488 dollars in total. A real account. This is my real account. So let's get started. At the end of the day, I will also show you guys how much I've been able to make for today. So let's get started. As you can see, these are some of my close uh profit for today. You can see $3 here, $2, 1.9, and then I close this negative, then I close this positive 12, a negative 11, then positive 2, positive 3, positive 18, minus 6, plus 1.2. Then I closed this one negative because the market was going against me. So but I have some major wins also. These are other winning, 28, $27, $27, $49, $20 here, and then a lot of other good results. So this is the current market so far, minus 459, but this will not change because I have a strategy that I use. You continue to be seeing this minus, but at the end of the day I will show you my actual profit. So let's see how today will go. I've opened this trade believing at the end of the day I will close in a positive note. So guys, also beside football prediction, I also trade uh, uh Bitcoin and also the forex market. So in this channel you get both side of the business. This is the sport betting side and also the forex market, and also BTC market trading on daily basis. So from now on you'll be getting updates every day regarding BTC trading or forex trading in general, and also the sport betting predictions on daily basis. So this is just an intro. So at the end of the day I will also upload a new video of my new, or of my closing balance for today. Remember I opened today's balance with $488. So I will also show you at the end of the day how much I've been able to grow this account out to. So I have a strategy. Don't mind the minus balance that you are seeing here. I have a strategy that I use, which I'm going to share with you in the future. So let's head on and then see how we can make money through the forex market. If you want to see content like this on this platform, hit the subscribe button, and also like this video, share this video, comment where you are watching us from, and also share with me. I'm interested if you want to be seeing something like this on daily basis. I will continue to provide valuable content when it comes to forex and also trading BTC. Remember, this is a future trading, not the spot trading on Binance. This I'm using Octa to trade. So if you want to join me and trade, I will leave the link to my Octa account in the comment section. You can join through the link and you get a bonus, over 100% sign up bonus when you join through my link. Okay guys, that is all I will have for now. And then at the end of today I will also upload my final result to show you how much I've grown this account from this $488.99. Then I will also show you the closing balance for today. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. For now, let's leave it at that. Thank you so much.